My name is Frank with Simply Brands, and in this video, we are showcasing our UltraFLEX HDMI cables. Now, these cables are super flexible with a soft silicone jacket, which are 5 times more durable and flexible than your standard HDMI cables. As mentioned, these are extremely soft HDMI cables and compression resistant, featuring low profile connectors, which are great for those displays pressed up right against the wall. Now let's talk about some tech specs. Now these cables are HDMI certified that support the latest technology with HDMI version 2.0B, which entails dynamic HDR, up to 8K Ultra HD, and up to 48 gigabits per second. These cables are also ER compatible for any audio return channel components, also feature a lifetime warranty, and available in multiple lengths, including 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, and 5 meter. To learn more about these cables and our other Simply AV products, including adapter rings, adapters, harnesses, and accessories, visit us at simplybrands.com.